Last time when I talked about the stock, and I've said that 2 weeks back, this is the probable time and the position from where the stock is going to turn around. And amid of volatility and the market crash we have seen, as you can see, the stock went down, but it sharply went up. So it is holding and it is showing the strength. And over a period of time it has made you a lot of money, so probably check out my previous videos. And actually I've started covering this video when it was trading at or quoting at 30 cents, so it has already given you a big buck. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Ocugen Inc or OCGN, the ticker name. Now, because it is holding at or above this level, okay, so it actually went down to, here we have, it actually went down to $6 and sharply moved on the upside. Okay, so and again it has already moved above $9.5. Now this is a very important area and this need to get discussed. Now first thing that you can use $9.5 as your stop loss. Okay, now why I'm using $6? Because the stock went up with a gap. Okay, so the stock after 5.85 or $6, it actually started from 9.5, then it went to $18 and it falls down and correcting, consolidating a bit. Now in the last week, because of correction, it actually went down and again went up. Now technically it means that the gap has been filled, which means that whenever a gap has created, stock has a tendency to fall back, fill up the gap which has happened and again went up. So I talked about this in my previous videos as well, and now this has happened that the gap has fallen. So the gap has filled, so it is giving us a positive signal that there is an uptrend going forward. But in this case you need not to wait for $6 again, which may be a risky one to do that. But because the stock is holding at or above 9.59, you can use 9.59 as your stop loss. Okay, now what we are looking at on the upside, okay, what we are looking at on the upside will be 2 or 3 specific targets for the time being, right? So these are the two targets that we are currently looking at. So our first target will be 18.69 or $19, or the previous high or the latest high that the stock has tested, but it can extend up to 26.4 or $27. Okay, this is actually, let me just zoom this a bit. Here we have, so it is around 18.8 or $19. So this will be our first target and it can extend up to $27 because there is another gap down. So the stock will definitely, once it crosses $18, will try to fill up the gap. So we will again reanalyze the chart and we will go one step after another, but use 9.5 as your stop loss and these two targets as your upside levels or the targets. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.